Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a camper. Let's get into it. Okay, so first you just need a car, like that. Then you need this rectangle piece with the little door. You put the rectangle piece right there. Well, basically you can put the rectangle piece wherever you want it. Okay. You need any colored block. You put it right next to the rectangle so it doesn't fall over in the process of building. And let's pause for a second, and we have a special guest, my brother. Hey, say hi. This is Blues, and he wants to show you guys this little. Hi. Okay, baby turtles. Okay, that's baby turtle. And now let's get back to building. So when you're building, your build should be like this. You can basically use any colored block. Then you grab another block, put it right next to one. Then you don't have another block, we can fix that. You grab two of these rectangle pieces. Then you connect them together to make a new square. So you can put that right there. Then you need two more squares. You say, how can we do that? How can we do that? Okay, we can build some more blocks out of these more pieces of that, just like we did. And it's fine if they break. You can always rebuild it again and just watch this video over again. So, if you can't find another one of these pieces, you might want to get more of those rectangle pieces instead of building pieces. But then, you want to get some of these, two of these, put them in the front end of the door. Then, you get one of these, you put it right there. Then you get another one of these. Oh, and pause. We're going to play some more things over again, okay? So, this is how your build should look right now, and we'll just keep adding stuff and show you the final result. If you want and to keep watching, look in another video, and I'll show you the details. Because I'm not going to show you all of them, because your kids might get bored. But we have more. Okay, then you're going to have to grab some triangles, 5 triangles. What are triangles? We'll show you that later in the video. And just keep adding. This is how your build should look right now. This is on the other side. So, okay, final result. And 3, 2, 1. Here it is. This is the final result. It's kind of dark and shady, so there it is. It's kind of dark because of the purple block there. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then Baby Turtle wants to play a little game with you, okay? Now, come on, Baby Turtle. Stand up. Let's play a game. Game's gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Watch out! Okay. Here it is. Pixie flyers. Let's go. Look at it, guys. It's flying through the sky. Don't make sure to raise her raise in your face. Oh. wanted to show you guys. It's gonna crash. Crash, crash. Oh my gosh, we might just let it have go. Okay, you guys. This is crazy, but I think I'm going to... Let it crash. Let it crash, let it crash. Is it going to crash? Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Oh. What? Just let it crash. Is she spinning? Is she spinning in circles? Everybody, yay! That was the fun thing. Ouch. Oof. Okay. That's the fun thing that we wanted to show you guys. Yeah, because Baby Turtle was the one who planned it. Okay. So, if you haven't seen our other video, we built this ginormous house in that other video. And here's the pixie's face if you didn't see. You can get these in Target, Walmart, on Amazon. Amazon Prime. Yes, Amazon Prime. Yes. No, not Amazon. Just Amazon. Okay, and that's all we wanted to show you guys. So bye everybody. We'll see you on the next video. Yeah.